And with the formula, you can find it from a graph,
No, I looked back or not.
or you can find it from a table that has the XY coordinates, or from a graph. But what you need is the XY coordinates, so please just watch. Look at the formula. Try not to say your name on the recorder. We're trying to just get your attention to stuff like this. So, here's the formula. Jot this down. Slope formula. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. Jot that down. So, Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1, because it has to be a fraction. Just like rise over run is a fraction. So when we found this slope doing rise over run, it was 3 over 6, because the rise was 1, 2, 3. So we found 3 over the run, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's see, using the formula, if we get the same slope. No questions till the recording code. Let's see if we get the same slope using the formula. Here are my coordinates. I'm just going to get rid of this so you can see my coordinates. The coordinates for these points are 3, 7, and 9, 4. Do you see those coordinates? Eyes. 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 Thank you. Here are my coordinates. You need your 2 sets of coordinates, that's fine. That'll be perfect. What you do is you go to your 2 sets of coordinates, and we always read from left to right. Does that make sense? Eyes.
Yes.
You read from left to right. So this is your first set of coordinates, label it group 1. The one that's further to the right is your second set of coordinates. You label it group 2. Okay? Are you following me? Group 1 and group 2. In group 1, which of these numbers is the x? 3. It is always x comma y. Do you guys know that? Okay, so if you want, you can label x and y, x and y. Now, all you're going to do is plug in. Watch this. Eyes. Y2. I got to plug in a number for Y2. Well, here's group 2, and here's my Y. So it's 4. Does that make sense? Group 2, Y. It's 4. Minus Y1. Group 1, Y is 7. Over X2, group 2, X is 9. X1, we go to group 1, X is 3. That is it. How do you solve this? So when you're adding and subtracting integers, we use keep, change. So you can make this 4 plus negative 7, and you can make this 9 plus negative 3. And when you're adding with different signs, you subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. So 7 minus 4 is 3, and the bigger number is 7, so it's minus 3. Over 9 minus 3 is 6, and the bigger number is 9, so it's a positive 6. Does that make sense? Okay, so before